Echoes of the City. In the heart of a bustling metropolis, where skyscrapers pierced the clouds and the streets pulsed with life, a solitary artist named Clara found solace. Each day, she wandered through the vibrant neighborhoods, her sketchbook nestled under her arm, capturing the essence of the city in ink and charcoal. The cacophony of honking cars, laughter, and distant street musicians served as her symphony. Clara often sat in the park, surrounded by the melodies of life. She observed the elderly man feeding pigeons, the children playing tag, and the couple sharing a quiet moment on a bench. These fragments of existence ignited her imagination, each scene a story waiting to unfold. One rainy afternoon, Clara stumbled upon an abandoned bookstore tucked away between modern glass towers. Its weathered facade whispered tales of yesteryears. Inside, the air was thick with nostalgia, and the scent of old paper enveloped her like a warm embrace. She discovered a dusty volume titled Echoes of the City, filled with forgotten stories of its inhabitants. Inspired, Clara began to integrate the tales into her artwork. She painted murals that adorned the walls of the city, each brushstroke echoing the lives that had once thrived there. Her creations became a dialogue between the past and present, reminding the citizens that their stories, too, were woven into the fabric of the city. As her murals flourished, so did the spirit of the metropolis, fostering a renewed appreciation for its history. Clara had not only transformed her artistic journey, but had also rekindled the connection between the people and the echoes of their shared urban tapestry.